Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Screen Recorder for Windows 10 operating system. First, I will start with inbuilt Screen Recorder in Windows 10. To open the Screen Recorder, press Windows key and G at a time in your keyboard. Now, Windows logo and G. Here you can observe Xbox recording console has been opened. Here you need to go capture section and check for the recording option. I think this is disabled. Okay, it's given some tooltip, that is Windows logo Alt R for recording. Now let's check with that option, Windows logo Alt R. Okay, it's giving some warning message, gaming feature is not available, enable gaming feature for this app, record to play. Close this and click record. Recording has been started. Okay, you can turn on and turn off your mic also. Now I am closing recording. To open this file, you need to go same section again in that and go to gallery. Let's play this file, whether it is recorded or not. Recording has been started. Okay. You can turn on and turn off your mic also. Now I am closing. Okay. In this way, you can record your files using Xbox video recorder. Generally, this recorder is useful for recording games, and this is not suitable for recording other things. Let's check for the other screen recorders. For that, you need to open your favorite browser and check for the free screen recorders for Windows 10. Screen recorders for Windows 10. Here a bunch of options are available. You can choose these screen recorders according to your purpose. Okay, here it is showing FreeCam Studio and Bandicam. Most of these screen recorders are premium. That means you need to buy these screen recorders. Now I will show you one screen recorder which is free and open source. That is FreeCam 8, and this is given by one of my friend. Now right click and click on install. It is preparing to install. Accept the terms and license agreement and install. FreeCam 8 setup wizard complete. Click the launch icon to start working with FreeCam. So click launch. FreeCam 8 has been installed in your Windows machine. Okay. This is the UI of FreeCam 8. Here two options are available. One is new record and browse of recent records. Okay, I'm clicking new record. Okay, here you need to choose the area which you want to record your screen. You can customize here. Here you can give system dimensions, screen dimensions 600 800 and enter. This portion of the area will be recorded. Okay, you can mute or unmute your mic. I am unmuting the mic. And here settings, the general section, here it's asking for shortcuts. To pause and resume, its default key is F9, and stop is escape, and discard recording, that means stop recording means F10. That means microphone and volume of the microphone and system record sounds. Okay, and other options. Okay, click OK. To record your screen, you need to click on this icon, record icon, or else F9. I am clicking this record icon and screen recording starts in 1 second. Okay, now pause and resume. Now I am stopping this video. That means click to done. Okay, after clicking the done, some pre-processing work has been started and it's showing our video. Okay, this is our recorded video. Here we have 4 options, that is new recording and edit, save as video, and upload to YouTube. Edit means you can cut or trim your video. Next option is save as video, that means saving of your video. Next one is upload to YouTube. If you want to upload this video in YouTube, you need to click this option and give the account details of your YouTube account. Now I am going to save this video. It's asking for the location and name of the video file. Okay, name of the video file is okay, and path is desktop and YouTube video recorder, and save. It exporting the video. It will take few minutes. This depends on your video size. Okay, the video has been shown in our directory. 1 second. Okay, the selected area has been recorded and it's showing that portion only. Now resume. Now I am stopping this video. In this way you can use FreeCam 8 screen recorder. This screen recorder records unlimited length of videos. You can get the screen recorder by sending an email. For that you need to follow these steps. First, subscribe to Samir's Code Room and send email to imsforyou2020@gmail.com with the subject get_free_cam_8. I will show you in practical link. First, you need to open your browser and open YouTube. Log into your account. Now I am logged into my account. Go to Samir's Code Room and subscribe. Now go to Gmail. Compose an email. Address is imsforyou2020 and then subject is, and click send with empty body. Message has been sent. After few minutes I got this mail. Okay, it's given, dear subscriber, your requested file is below. One Google Drive link is sent and that is of zip file. Okay, click. Click on download. The download has been started. I think it is 20 MB. It takes some time to download. Once it is downloading is completed, you can open and extract it. Okay, download has been completed. Show in folder. Okay, after extracting this you can get the file like this, and this is freecam8_7_0. You can install from this file. That's it guys, meet you in the next video.